Hello everyone, Namaskar. Today's topic is about online meeting application. We have come up with this video which will talk about open source application that is meet.jit.si. Anyone can use this app for conducting meetings, screen sharing sessions, live streaming and recording their meeting sessions. Let's get into the topic. Open your browser and then type meet.jist.in, and after that you can see that you can enter meeting name, some name. So here I have added some demo meet. Once you have click on the demo meet, you will be getting the meeting open. This particular meeting app is an Apache open source application, and I have shared this link with one of my uh, colleague. Okay, so you can share with all the required participants, and once they logged in you can see the participants. So one of my friend colleague demo user has logged in, and you can see all the list of users. And there are a couple of features. One is screen sharing, audio and video sharing, and chat and polling, and live streaming and session recordings. So so this is how you can share your live stream. You can update your YouTube URL, or you can sign in with Google, and then you can enable the live streaming. And along with that there are a couple of options. Then now you can click on start recording. Then you can sign into the uh, Google Dropbox, and then you can save your recordings. And there are a couple of security options. You can provide password if you wish to, otherwise you can leave it. If you want to secure a meeting, you enable that password. And apart from that, we have a couple of options we have here. As I mentioned, you can share the video, share an audio, and you can invite the people. So you can copy the link from here and then share with required participants to join this meeting. And there are a couple of other options with respect to audio, video, all the other settings. Now you can click on the chat option. There you can text with all the participants in the chat. Then there is a poll section here. Here you can create a poll, and then you can get the feedback from the participants. So you can type any of your question in the poll, and then provide the options, right? For example, here I was just writing do I like this meat, and you can provide yes, no, and then if you wanted to add more options, you can add additional option here. Once you have added all options, you can click on send, so that the poll will be sent to the all participants. It is almost like all other meeting apps, online apps, right? But this is basically open source. We do not need to pay for it. It is, once again I'm repeating, it is Apache open source software. So it is licensed to the Apache open source. In addition to that, there are a couple of options we can see. You can mute all the participants uh, at one shot, and then you can let them mute whenever they wanted to speak. So basically, essentially, whatever the other paid apps or enterprise apps are giving the features, this open source application itself is providing all required sort of features. You can enable audio and video settings here. In this case, I mean, I'm not touching about audio and video session, I'm just showing the demo. You can enable the full screen, and then you can exit from it. However, we have a couple of emojis, and then there are other stuff like you can pat colleagues, you can use some of the emojis, not really chart. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, and if you are looking for more open source videos, watch and subscribe.